Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can optimize our resume as well with the help of ChatGPT. So what we can do here is we can provide our resume to ChatGPT and we can ask it to optimize it for specific scenarios. Let's say we are looking for a role in a particular company and we want our resume to be customized around that role. So what we can give is such kind of a prompt to it. And now the tool will write the whole resume in that particular manner. So that way we can optimize it and we can go ahead and customize our resumes, which is most appropriate and apt for a certain role. So let's have a look at it with an example. So let's say this is the resume which we are using out here. And what we want to do is I want to apply for a, let's say, a digital marketing role. And so what we're going to do is we're going to give that kind of a prompt to the tool. And here you can provide the whole resume which you have created and provide it to it. So now it is going to look at a resume key pointers and will start generating the particular resume for us, which is optimized around that. So see, it starts with experienced digital marketing manager with strong focus on PPC management. So uses that term more often in the whole resume so that the whole resume, the CV looks very targeted and customized to that specific role which we are looking at. So profile which we are looking at. So you can see it says over here collaborated with leads, digital marketing training institutes. Okay. And similarly, it keeps on using that word multiple times so that it looks like that the profile is meant for that specific kind of a role. I hope this makes sense. You understand how you can customize and rewrite your resumes as well, optimize it for specific profiles which you're looking at for, and you can use this tool to also build a resume from scratch. So you can give all your specific details regarding your professional career, important milestones, and it can build out a full-fledged resume as well for you. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.